What's the number one thing you need to know to lead a women's circle? How to get women to show up. I'm Tanya Lynn, founder of Sistership Circle, and if you don't know how to fill your circle, you'll never actually be able to lead it. That's why I created the Art of Leading Circle. In just 5 simple steps, you'll learn how to, number 1, clarify. Know exactly why you're leading circle so you magnetize like-minded women and inspire them with your vision. Number 2, envision. Set your intention so you manifest with ease and grace. Number 3, commit. Get clear on your date, your venue, your pricing, and your timing so the universe knows exactly how to respond to your intention. Number 4, share. How to get the word out there by knowing exactly what to write on your event page and best practices for promotion. And number 5, prepare. Receive checklists to set up your space and my exact templates to do either a full or new moon circle. Get your copy of the book today by clicking on the link below.